Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, in our previous video we had discussed about the thermal expansion into solids, and today we will discuss about the thermal expansion of liquids. In solids like wires, railway tracks and bell, you had studied into the thermal expansion, and today here it is about the liquids, that how thermal expansion is found in case of liquid. That like solids, liquid also expand on heating. Their volume increases and cubical expansion is found there on heating. A common example is the traditional thermometer. That when thermometer that is attached to any hot body, at that time it's mercury that expanded. Okay, now you are seeing here, as a bulb of thermometer, it heat up, the heat is conducted to a liquid, and this causes the liquid to expand and forcing it to rise up the thermometer. And however, different liquids have different rates of expansion. It is very important that no all liquids have the same expansion rate. They have different expansion rate. Okay, so on a particular temperature, that means at same temperature, all the liquids, they have different rate of expansion. Okay, now here let us perform an activity to observe the difference in expansion of different liquids, that how different type of liquids, they have different expansion by temperature. You will observe here with this activity. So here its aim is to observe expansion in liquids. So materials, a glass flask, it fitted with one holded rubber cork and a thin glass tube water. These are materials. And procedure, it will fix a capillary tube passing through a cork in a round bottom. Okay, you are seeing here, and this flask and the round bottom flask half filled with the water and is kept on the wire gauge. Okay, wire gauge is kept. Now this one is wire gauge. Okay, now heat the flask. We will heat this flask now. After heating, what will you find? So after heating, in observation, you will find that liquid like water, it expand and rise up in the capillary tube. And inference, you will find that the experiment proves that liquids expands on heating. So second one is also to study the relative expansion of different types of liquids. You are seeing here that one having water, and in second alcohol, and third is oil. You will fill different types of liquids here. Then take three identical round flasks, and you will, in these flasks, you will fill different liquids, and when you will heat it, you will observe here, it can be observed that the amount of expansion is different in different liquids. Means these all having different expansion. You are finding here alcohol have maximum expansion, then oil, then water. So inference, you will find, in inference you will find that the experiment proves that different types of liquid have different expansion. Okay, now next one is thermal expansion of gases. So thermal expansion of gases, here you are seeing, so gases too undergo cubical expansion on heating. In fact, they expand much more than solids and liquids. You know that there is intermolecular space is more in comparison to that solids and liquids, so that these gases have more expansion. You are seeing here, you will attach the balloon to find it that what amount is actually expanded. So here in observation, you will find that these both cases, you will find that here when it will find the heat, then this expansion will cause, and due to that this balloon will be show like this. So observation, you will find it will rise into the balloons and blows it. When the heat is removed, the balloon or air decreases, and hence the balloon contracts. Now, so inference here you are finding that gases expands on heating. Students, next one is keywords and question answers. You will learn it and you will do all the question answers with the help of given notes. Thank you everyone.